stand by the window? There's a truck. And he's always...
You stood up back at the back of here.
Paul, can I stand by the window? Paul, can I? Paul, can you hurry? Paul, can you hurry, Papo? Paul, can you? Paul, can you get out? Paul, can you get out? Paul, why'd you stand right here?
Right there.
Paul, why?
That's good.
Let me scoot up a water just a tiny bit. Just a little, because I want to get a better view. Paul, is it going to get dried off? Yep.
Could you see that red light from miles above the red light?
I don't know.
You said you seen a car, red light.
That means it's getting washed. Yep, it's time to pull up to that car. Paul, is it doing a good job drying it? Paul, why is he not going? I don't know, he's taking his time. Paul, is it going to do a good job? Yep, it always does a good job. Hurry up. That's this guy motorcycle and he's cleaning it. How is it doing a good job drying it? How can I see better for this view? How, why is he not going? That car's not going yet. Well, it is a little bit. Please go on. He should get in there now. Come on. Oh no, he's going in now.
Still didn't get all his time, did he? It's still long.
How's it do a good job? How is it fast or slow? How is it fast? Or it's just light? How, what are you doing?
I'm standing there.
How is it doing a good job?
Looks like it is.
How do you see soap?
Yeah, it's soaking right now.
How is it fast or slow? Does it look fast to me or slow?
They require masks in public places now. Do they require masks in public places? I thought I heard these ones. Still see people come and go.
Papo,
I'll tell you right now.
how can you let this guy go? How, tell this guy to go. How, just tell him to go. How, just tell him to go. How, just tell him to go.
You have a good one, buddy.
Yeah, just get out of here.
Y'all filmed him going.
How is it doing a good job?
Step up to this yellow.
How is it doing a good
Step up
job?
to the right there.
Paul, why?
Because I said so.
Paul, why you said so? Paul, why not further? How is it fast or slow? How is it fast or slow? Or it's just light?
It's just right.
Doing a good job. I should get way over there so I can see a foot better. Let me back up just a little bit. There we go. No, back up a little. Oh, there's another one. How can I watch that one,
Yeah.
fan?
I'm going inside and getting me a bag of potato
Pablo, you gotta stay with me. How can you
chips.
stay?
I'm wanting some potato chips. or
Paul,
something.
can you stay with me?
I'm hungry too.
Paul, can you stay
I'll
with
stay
me?
with you. I'll stay with you.
Yeah, just. How is it doing a good job? How is it?
Looks like it is. This place awful busy, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
All the cars coming and going.
Guy, he should get in there now. There we go.
It didn't seem like it took long to wash that car, did it?
Yeah. Nope, he's pulling in. Nope, he's done. How is it doing a good job?
Looks like it is.
How, what are you doing?
I'm just walking around, Max. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just watching the car. How, what's that truck called?
It's a orphan pest control, I think.
How is it doing a good job? How is it fast or slow or just right?
It's just right, I think.
Papa, why is it going awful fast? How is it super fast or super slow?
It's doing it just right.
Whoa! I about almost failed. I thought there was a dead end right there, but it wasn't. Paul, are you about to use the bathroom?
No, are you?
No, I'm just lying. Dude, the drive stopped. How still another car behind it yet?
No.
How can we watch those other cars when they pull through?
If nothing comes through, well,
That's good because I ain't hearing the noise. Paul, how pretty is that car wash?
it does a good job. In fact, that was just the ejector. I think it's nice.
One thing I'm recording for this tablet. But do we see why the car is getting worst? Yeah,
These
so
more this morning, it's been a long time.
how still another car behind it?
No, not yet.
How do you see one?
No.
Let me show you there was a store. Pumping gas station. Sharks, Pumping Stop, English Park, Socks, and Shop 8. Oh, no, I can't read that. How can you buy this car wash? Or it's fortunate. How can you buy this car wash, it said?
No, I ain't got that kind of money.
How can you buy it?
You can't buy it. They don't want to sell it. They're making too much money.
Sorry guys, my tablet's shaking. Is still another car behind it? Yeah.
No.
Paul, why?
Max, he's already done. Seems like that's awful fast.
Paul, can you tell me why is it awful fast?
Seemed like it wasn't in there 3 minutes.
Paul, can we go warm up, play Stacker?
That's where we're headed.
Paul, does this tablet records good?
Cable's gonna run out of time.
Paul, why? Paul, why? Paul, is that truck gonna wash? Paul, what do we do if we see one getting... Paul, no.
No, they want around the building.
How can we see more cars get washed?
I'm cold, Max.
How can we see more...
You cold?
No, Paul, can we see more cars get washed?
He ain't gonna stay there that long.
How can we watch more cars get washed?
If Ernie pulls up here, Wilson. Come on.
I don't know what's wrong with that dryer.